how to install multiple versions of Minecraft on one phone. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So first one being that you should open up your Play Store or App Store depending on whether you have the Android or iOS, and search for Minecraft. And this way you would be able to get the actual Minecraft, the one from the official developers, and this way you can get it installed on your device. And for the other one, you have to open up the browser. You can open up Google Chrome or any other depending on your device. After that, search for Minecraft APK, or you can also type the version of Minecraft that you are looking to install, and this way you would be able to see the search result. But make sure that you are downloading it from the trusted source. You can also go with the APK Pure. Just simply search for Minecraft APK Pure old versions, and you would be able to find it. And this is how you would be able to install this version as well, and you would be able to play both of them. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.